Celebrate Paryushan with light sattvic meals. Here are simple and tasty Jain-friendly breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas for day 2. Paryushan, also known as Paryushan Parva or Paryushan Mahaparva, is a very important festival in Jainism. It is usually celebrated in August or September for a period of 7 to 10 days. During this time, people seek forgiveness and enhance their spiritual growth with practices like fasting, meditation and reading sacred texts. People also eat light, sattvic foods during Paryushan. This year, Paryushan began on August 20th and will end on August 28th. You might have to plan your meals during these days keeping in mind the Jain rules. Here are some healthy and easy recipes you can make for day 2 of Paryushan. The first meal of the day should be easy to digest, giving you energy without heaviness. Some ideas breakfast according to Master Chef Aruna Vijay. One can have rava dosa with dalia chutney or kadai masala puri and dahi. Tip: sip on warm water or light herbal tea to improve your digestion. Lunch should be satisfying yet simple, made with fresh ingredients. Lunch: dal bati, churma and lassi or papad churi paratha can be good options for lunch. Tip: eat mindfully and without distraction to stay in tune with the spiritual essence of Paryushan. Dinner should be early and light so the body can rest well. Dinner: aglio olio pasta or paneer cheese paratha and dal shorba can be perfect options for dinner on day 2. Tip: try to finish dinner before sunset, as many Jains prefer not to eat after dark during Paryushan. Also read Paryushan 2025 date, significance, rituals, food and